Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to apply Domino's Pizza coupon code. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply Domino's Pizza coupon code. So first of all, you need to go and select if you want to order or switch to carry out. So those are the two options that you have. Click on order now, and here you can order if you want to order now for it to be of course ordered for you now, or you can schedule it for later. Now when you click on order now, you need to go here and find a pizza or sandwich or whatever you want to go and buy. Click on it, then select what you want, click select, then click add for it to be added in the basket. Select all of the things that are needed, and now you have it in the basket. You can go to the basket and add a new invoice. So your name, VAT number, street number, city, and postal code, and everything out of those. Now, what you need to of course go and do is here, as you can see, if you have a coupon, here we have a coupon, a question mark. Click on there, and here, as you can see, type coupon code. Now you need to go and type in the exact coupon how you got it. It must not be, of course, different to the one that you got. And of course, then you will, of course, get it applied. So you just click the plus button after you have typed the right coupon. So then proceed to checkout and verify that the discount has been applied before placing your order. One tip: if your coupon does not work, check that it hasn't expired, is valid at your selected Domino's location, and that your order meets all of the promotion terms. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.